Understanding, Hear Wind of, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, hear wind of. This phrase might sound a bit strange at first, but it's actually quite common in everyday English. Let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. The phrase, hear wind of, is an idiomatic expression. It means to receive information or news about something, especially if that information is not direct or official. It's like catching a hint or a rumor about something. This expression is often used when the information is obtained informally or through unofficial channels. Understanding the origin of idioms can be fascinating and helps in remembering them. The phrase, hear wind of, possibly originates from the idea of catching a slight breeze of something. Just as you might feel a light wind and know it's coming from a certain direction, hearing wind of something means you're getting a subtle indication or a hint about it. Let's see some examples to understand how to use this phrase in everyday conversation. 1. I heard wind of a new coffee shop opening in our neighborhood. 2. She heard wind of the company's plans to expand before it was announced officially. There are several phrases with similar meanings that you might find useful. Catch wind of, get wind of, hear about, learn of, come to know. And that's a wrap on the phrase, hear wind of. I hope this video has been informative and adds a new expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is a journey, so keep exploring and practicing. See you in the next video.